Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I'm Kakao Kunemi. So for tonight's reading, this is going for you. This is going to be for you, top gifter. If you have been one of my top gifters in one of my live streams, thank you so much for the gifts. And check the comments down below if you've been tagged, okay? However, this may also resonate to people born in the sign of Sword, so that'll be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So there may be lies being exposed or being said and done to you. Let's see, pwedeng ano rin kasi, like maybe nauuto ka, hindi mo lang alam. Pwede ring ikaw yung nang uuto, akala mo hindi nababantayan, hindi nahalata. But anyway, bottom of the deck is Nine of Swords reversed. So this is health issue kasi or anything na parang nakakapanghina. So pwedeng in the next 30 days siguro may malalaman kang ginawa sa na parang ikaiinis mo kasi hindi mo alam, hindi mo nabantayan, hindi mo napansin. Or if ikaw ang King of Swords reversed, maybe meron kang tawag nito. For some reason hindi vice versa eh. Parang kung ikaw yung nangloko, parang tawag nito, akala mo na loko mo siya. Pero parang hinahayaan ka lang pala niya. So King of Swords reversed, this may be something connected sa health. So maybe someone's pretending to be sick, tapos halata namang hindi. Or pwedeng ikaw yung nagsasabi na may sakit ka, kesyo ganito, ganyan, bawal ka sa ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi mo alam yung niloloko mo, alam na baka nga doktor yung niloloko mo, tapos wala ka namang symptoms, ano pinagsasasabi mo. So, ganun. Anyway, basta ang main idea is panloloko. So, pero I'm not sensing vice versa. Like, if ikaw yung niloloko, hindi mo siya napansin, and baka marireveal within the next 30 days, tas ikaiinis mo kasi ba't di ko napantayan yun, ba't di ko man lang nahalata. Pero, hindi siya vice versa. Pagka ikaw yung naloloko, akala mo naloko mo siya. Pero hindi. One step, two steps ahead yung akala mo victim mo. Now, what do you need to focus on is the Wheel of Fortune. So, the wheel, I'm being drawn to the dice. So, yun nga. Kung ikaw yung nanloloko, baka ikaw yung, kung ikaw yung nanloloko, baka ikaw yung nilalaro nung biktima mo. So, be careful, especially kung parang masyado siyang kalmado. Pero, if you're the one who's being played, yung dice is an indication na, kung you're hoping na sana makonsensya siya, no. The dice is an indication na laro-laro lang talaga sa kanya yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Okay, so there's no need to justify kung anong ginawa niya, especially if this is your husband, your boyfriend, manliligaw, or someone that you like, tapos nagpe-pretend na gusto ka rin niya, yung pala pang-i-scam lang yung sadya. But anyway, ang main idea is, don't expect na makukonsensya, don't expect na ibabalik niya kung ano man yung nakuha niya sa'yo. Wala sa kanya yan. Ganun siya ka hustler, kumbaga. But, what do you need to focus on, air sign? 7 of Cups reversed. Come up with a decision. Kung ikaw yung niloko, wag mo i-justify. Niloko ka, period. Parang wag mo nang i-justify, wag mo nang i-doubt yung self mo na baka magkamali ako kung paparusahan ko siya, or baka tawag nito, masyado akong harsh kung ipapakulong ko, kung kakasuhan ko, parang ganun. Come up with a decision, stand your ground. Kung ikaw naman yung nanloko, 7 of Cups in reverse, pag ito pinatulang ka, baka basta devastating na nakakahiya yung ganti nitong binibiktima mo. Especially if yun nga, marami ka ring hindi alam sa taong yan. Okay? So be careful. Now, if you're going to do as advised, possible outcome, Hermit reverse. So, if ikaw yung niloko, this is depression. Huwag kang magpapatalo. Bottom of the deck, Six of Swords, concentrate on moving forward. What are you going to do next? Where are you going to relocate? How are you going to make sure na you're not going to interact with these types of people in the future? Or also, take this lesson na para in case meron kang makilalang katulad nito, alam mo na gagawin mo. Alam mo na kung paano tawag dito, paano mababasa yung intention kung sakaling may ibang taong ganito rin yung gagawin sa'yo in the future. Pero if ikaw yung nanloko, Hermit reversed, depression, this is you not wanting to do anything anymore. Kasi yun nga, parang nahuli ka. Tapos parang if you're wanting to ask for an apology or to beg na wag kang parusahan, wag kang kasuhan, wag kang ipakulong whatsoever, this person says no. Move forward ang Six of Swords. Parang tawag nito, yan medyo hindi kalmado yung tubig sa dagat. So parang magkagulo man o parang kung ano man yung mangyari, ako yung tama, ako masusunod. Ako yung kailangan ng hustisya. Ikaw yung dapat maparusahan. Walang compromise. So be careful. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here for you. If you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Okay? That'll be all. Bye.